Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with new creative and innovative videos. As we have gone through many videos on facial emotion recognition using FER library. As we know, FER library is a very popular facial emotion recognition library. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. For that, let us go through the Python file. First statement, from FER, importing FER library which is required for a program. Then import matplotlib which is used to display the image in graphical format x and y coordinate. Then image, read the image, particular path, saurabh.jpg image. Then emotion detector FER, it is used for faces by default are detected using OpenCV. Then captured emotion, it is used to capture all types of emotion. Then print emotion detector, in the sense what is the emotion recognized that needs to be printed. Then IAMShow, plot the image, display the image, and PLT in the display the image in coordinates format, x and y coordinate. Now first type of image is Saurabh JPEG. Now I will execute the Python file. Yes, image has been displayed and it is here happy. Now I will display the next image, FER image. The image I will display the next image, that is FER emotion recognition. Yes, it is FER here. It is FER. Now I will display neutral image, neutral face emotion recognition. Yes, here neutral face emotion detection. So we have successfully completed emotion facial recognition using FER library. Emotions are happy, fear and neutral. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.